just named her Stacy, and now she's famous. She's the famous Stacy.
Hi, welcome to the Famous Stacy channel. I'm Stacy, and today I am going to show you how to make a reusable pattern. I tend to use patterns over and over again. I work with Dress a Girl Around the World, and my personal foundation, My Fairy Godmother, that's dedicated to getting every girl a pretty dress. I did a pattern last year that I designed myself, and it was wonderful, but by the end of the year, I never wanted to see it again. And I wanted to go with something a little more simple this year. So I chose the Simplicity 8102 as my dress I'm going to do for this July through June. Last year I made 30 dresses that went with missionaries to third world countries, and I loved doing it. So I wanted to find something really fantastically simple that would make a really cute, adorable dress for this year. The pattern can be pretty expensive, so what I decided I wanted to do was take this pattern and make reusable patterns in sizes. This goes from 3 to 8. I decided I wanted to take size 3, 5, and 7 and make a reusable pattern that I can use over and over again this year. The supplies you will need are white poster board, a 10-pack, should be plenty, duct tape, a black marker or Sharpie, a pencil, a pattern, and a box cutter or X-Acto knife or scissors.
Forget about the price tag, price tag, price tag. I'll be alone, dancing, you know it, baby. Tell me, give me your inside out all. You're amazing, just the way you are. Will you call my name?
Now I've got two reusable patterns where with this Simplicity 8102, we would have had to have, for this dress A, would have had to have 4 pieces that we would cut out of here, but I've simplified by putting the yoke on this with a line so that I can see where I need to do that, and I have my instructions written on here so that I don't have to keep checking back to the pattern, and there it is.
Might not get tomorrow.